Alright, hello everyone. This is Basement Fire Alarm Test 38. For today I got a bit of a generic system, but it's a little bit older. I've got a device I have not used in the test series before, so I'll go ahead and show those off to you. So, let's go have a look. The pull station, you've seen this one a million times. It's the Simplex 4099 9003. With the module taken out of it. So that's not different, but the notification appliance does match, and we'll go take a look at it. Up above here we do have a Simplex True Alert. It looks like one you've seen before, although it is actually different. This is actually a selectable free run / smart sync unit. So I actually do have the strobe set up for free run, and the horn is on continuous. So you'll get to hear that slightly different True Alert tone that you hear with the free run models. So there it is. Alright, let's pull the Simplex T-bar. Alright, to reset this pull station, it's not too hard. I feel like I say that a lot when I'm talking about this, but Simplex B key, take one of those. For this one it turns to the left. Some of the newer ones actually turn to the right, like the addressable ones on the home system do. But you just open it up and you can see right there is where the module would be. But it's actually inside this box, and it controls the basement system, whichever pull station is here. It's actually the module out of this pull station. So close it back, put the key back, and you're good. And yeah, there it is. And now we'll reset the system. So that is the end of today's video. As always, thank you for watching. Be sure to check out my Groupme and eBay pages. Both those links are in the description. Thank you and have a great day.